Alright guys, welcome back to part 8 of the garage. I think 8 and 9 will probably be the last one. But this video, we're gonna do this wall over here and then probably this wall too. I'm gonna turn you around real quick. Got a whole bunch of Amazon boxes today. Shelves and lighting and some hardware to put my power washer up on the wall and the vacuum as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Get this knocked out, be pretty. I already put this outlet here for this later on, which now we're here now. So snap my fingers and we're all set. I already had all this stuff from my previous house, hooks and everything. I just brought them with me, but that'll work nice and clean out of the way there. Now, from about right here, so about right here, I'm gonna do my honeycombs like my last garage. Instead of 3, I'm gonna do 5 total, kind of staggered. Here they are. These are different than the ones I got last time. I thought they were the same, but they're not. So let me get a few of these together, see how I want to do it. And these work just like the other ones. There's connecting pieces and then just the, looks like 14-inch, 15-inch, I don't know. A light, very lightweight, very light compared to the other ones. So yeah, let me get these in the shape I want. All right, this is how I want them set up on the wall. Do a quick fit, make sure continuity is good and they all light up. 5 might be too much, might do 4. We'll see. The old house I had white or very light gray walls, so I turned them around, so it wasn't so much. These are flat black walls. I'm gonna try to have it facing outward to give a little more light, you know. So we'll see how that works. Let's make sure they work. Here we go, cross your little fingers. Ah, outstanding. Man, I forgot how bright these damn things are. So yeah, that's how I want them. And then we'll throw them on the wall real quick. And tomorrow we'll put shelves inside every one of them. That'll make sense. So get them up real quick. All right, guys, it's actually the next day. I got a little carried away last night and time was of the essence. I needed to go to bed, you go to work. So I put them up, and when I put them up, it was perfect. So I was like, you know what, screw it. I'm just gonna screw it to the wall and everything was leveled. Cool, good to go. When I turned it on, it was very bright. So I took some electrical tape and I put a strip around everywhere to kind of soften it a little bit. I think it looks freaking awesome. I do have a remote switch coming tomorrow. We're plugging there, and then the switch will be right over there. So I can turn it off and on from over there. That'd be great. Next thing tonight, I gotta hide this cable a little better, but I'm very happy with it. It's pretty cool, right? Yeah, without the tape on there, it was a little harsh, a little much. Let me turn off the overhead lights. I love LEDs. All these lights on total wattage with all of these lights on. Geez, 500 watts, that's it. We're talking about that light, these lights, and that. This is 180. This total is about 400. That's not very many. It's like 70. Under one, that's like 10. And then this one's, geez, another 80. So under 1,000 watts, which is equivalent to old school, like 10 light bulbs, which is pretty nuts. So very happy with it. All right, so the next step we're gonna do tonight is shelving. That's gonna go inside all of the products on. In case you're wondering about putting these on, it's so simple to do. If you can use Legos, you can do this. And these things right here, just push in, make sure the bottom aligns with the bottom of this little guy, and they just push together. Just like, that's it. And put them to the wall, there's a little drywall screw that goes right there. And each one of these, I mean, I'm telling you, these probably weigh, geez, 2 ounces, so light. So I was able to put the whole thing on the wall and screw it in, all one piece together, just using a little torpedo level and all of the sections, make sure it was good to go. And that was it, guys, pretty simple. So now we will do a time lapse putting all of this, the shelves inside the honeycombs. We'll do that now. Shelves. Now we put all my little products up there for detailing and stuff. I might add 2 more shelves, one right here, one right there. I got some extras. We'll see. After this is done, and this wall is pretty much wrapped up. I got some more stuff coming. That'll be next video, like the wrap up video. But then once this is done, we're gonna do this wall real quick with the TV, soundbar. I gotta hide that. I do some lighting over here too, and that'll close out this video. And the last video is gonna be all the little art pieces all the way around to kind of tie it all together. So let me get all this crap up there and I'll show you how it looks. All right, looks pretty good. I might add 1 or 2 more shelves. I got a few more products I gotta add, but for now, not too bad, it's pretty cool. And the little cable right there, I wrapped it in electrical tape and I painted it black, or flat black. So you don't really notice it, but it's fine, it's a garage, I get too carried away. So this wall is pretty much done outside of some little artwork things I'll do in a couple weeks. This is the next part of this video. The 65-inch TV will be here Saturday, today's Wednesday. Soundbar, I'm gonna cover this. I have a little locker right here for hazmat and oil, and a tall locker right there for my power tools. And then that'll wrap up this video, and then behind TV lighting as well. A couple days later, my junkyard's getting a little smaller. This is all that's left. TV just got here. We're gonna go ahead, throw this guy up on the wall. I put the bracket on last night and film it. It's just a bracket. With the TV up real quick, and with the little sound bar right underneath it. And I got some little lights behind it to make it kind of pop a little bit. It's up there, it's level. It's not pretty right now, but the other wire management done. And I hate how this is crooked. This whole thing is crooked to the left. It throws everything off. I have a little plate for that. I'm gonna put on that. So I got the wires tucked away, make sure my sound bar is working, get the little light around it, everything cleaned up, and I'll show you how it looks. And tomorrow I got a cabinet there, a cabinet there. I think I already said that. So, all right, let me get this wrapped up. All right, gang, next day, got this all buttoned up for the most part. I'm very happy with it, good aesthetic to it. It's a 65-inch TV. It's a very large space. I probably should have went like an 87-inch TV, especially when you sit way back here at my desk. Yeah, but you know what? First world problem, and it's fine. It's mostly for background noise in football season, so it'll be okay. And the reason why it looks kind of high, maybe lower, because I'm gonna have another car here. That way, sitting over there, I can still see over both car hoods to watch the TV, that's why. But I might end up using this in my bedroom and get a bigger TV. Because like I said, this is gonna go up about 20 inches. I could get a bigger TV here in the future. But you know, for our purposes, it's fine for right now. All right, so one of my cabinets came for right here. All my like hazmat stuff and extra paint's gonna go in there. And some overflow car wash stuff. So let me get that in here and we'll put it together, get that situated. Oh, and side note, I ended up making a little pedestal for my fridge. I don't know if it's all nice and perfect and flush at the top of this. I ordered a little metal side table and it was terrible. It was cheap as all hell. So I made this little guy out of some scrap wood and some plywood for like $20. So, all right, let's get this guy put together real quick. All right, not too bad, about 25 minutes. The instructions are kind of questionable, but I mean, it's Chinese and from Amazon. Cool, I'm gonna get this over there. Get things clean up a little bit, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, gang, next day, last storage cabinet showed up. I didn't film putting it together. I didn't want to, but I'll snap my fingers and this mess will be gone. Damn it. Come on, do the thing. There we go. That time it worked. Getting pretty good. Actually, I cheated. There's a little bit more stuff I got to do, but I'll figure this out tomorrow. But not too bad, getting there, guys. So next video is going to wrap this up, which is some little art pieces and some cool little stuff to put around. You guys will enjoy it. So, all right, guys, catch you guys then. Mark out.